With digital tools and market trends evolving, earning $10 a month from a side hustle in 2025 is more achievable than ever. Here are 5 profitable ideas. 1. Freelance digital marketing. Businesses need help navigating online. Offering services like SEO and social media can generate high earnings. Earning potential, $2,000 or $10,000 a month. 2. Print-on-demand store. Pod eliminates inventory costs, allowing sales of custom-designed products. Earning potential, $1,000 to $10,000 plus month, depending on your niche. 3. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting products without owning them, potentially resulting in a lucrative income. Earning potential, $500 to $10,000 a month, depending on your audience. 4. Online course creation. Package your expertise into a course and sell it. Earning potential, $1,000 to $10,000 plus month, especially with recurring sales. 5. Subscription box service. Offer curated products to create a recurring income stream. Earning potential, $5,000 to $10,000 per month, with consistent customer retention. Tips for success: start small, stay consistent, invest in marketing, and automate when possible. Achieving $10K a month with a side hustle in 2025 is within your reach. Start today and make it a reality.